Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Logitech webcam if it's not working. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, mine is already working. I just fixed the problem. So how do we do that? First up, you can go ahead and try to unplug and replug the USB cable from both the computer and the camera, and then just wait for about 10 seconds and then just plug it back in securely. Now, once that's done, you got to check if it works. If that will work, plug the webcam directly into a rear USB port at a desktop or a different port on a laptop, and avoid using external USB hubs, okay? And also ensure, by the way, that the physical privacy shutter or sliding, what do you call this, lens cap, just like this one, all right? You'll have these sliding caps on your cameras. Make sure that this one is opened if it's still not the case, okay? Here's how we fix it under our operating system, Windows right here. Now let's go ahead over to our start menu, right click on it, click on settings, and then this window will pop up. Now just go ahead over to privacy and security. Now scroll down and find camera, click, and make sure that camera access is enabled. Now let apps access your camera, enable it as well. And also make sure that the apps that you wanted to use your camera for is enabled right here. Let's say camera is disabled from here. When I go ahead and open up my camera, it won't work. Okay, click on yes, yes, it won't work. Now I'm going to close this one, enable the camera right here, and make sure that OBS Studio is not using it, of course, or any other app is not using it, because if other apps are using it, your camera won't work. All right, so that's one thing as well. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and close this one. Right click on your start menu again and click on Device Manager. Now we are going to find the camera section. Click on drop down. We have the Logitech webcam right here. So as you can see, I have the Logitech Brio 100. So you're going to want to right click on it. Now click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, well, go ahead and click on Search for Updated Drivers on Windows Update. Now, sometimes the drivers for our webcams are under Advanced Options. Now click on Optional Updates right here and make sure that everything that is listed in here is installed as well. And once that's done, you gotta check if it works. If that still won't work, go back to cameras right here under Device Manager. Right click and click on Update Driver. Browse my computer. Let me pick. And then select the video device or the correct signature. Click on Next. And we'll install the drivers or reinstall it. Just wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Might need you to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart your computer. And again, check if it works. And that's how easy it is to fix Logitech webcam if it's not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.